I'm not sure if we're still recording there. I might have to edit that back together again. That's really annoying. I forgot that I'd already paired this with the camera and I accidentally pushed the button, so that works pretty good, hey. But what we'll do, just to show you the plan, is that you can screw it onto the bottom of the camera and you've got your remote control like so. That's glued onto there, and I've got one whiz-bang selfie camera mount, and when I do this, rotate them out, that one there, and might have a bit of problem with that screw that I put in there. Rotate that one out there. This one's a bit stuck. I'm not sure why it's getting stuck on the screw there. I'll have to work out how to tidy it up. But there you go. That's a tripod that I can just stand